Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out Outlook on your PC or laptop. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you have to just simply open up your Outlook on your Windows or laptop. So you have to just simply search for Outlook, or you have to just simply open it by just tapping on the Start Manager. So I'm just searching for Outlook. So after that, you have to just simply open it. So after opening up the Outlook application, you guys will be able to see our account has been connected to the Outlook. So you guys will be able to see, in order to disconnect or in order to log out, you have to just simply go to the above file section on the top left corner. So after tapping on the file, it will open up such kind of menu. So here you have to just simply click on this account setting. So just click on it. So after clicking on it, it will provide your drop down menu, and here in the drop down menu you have to just simply select account settings. So after selecting the account setting, you guys will be able to see this kind of interface will appear. So here you have to just simply click on this data files. So after clicking on this data files, you have to just simply see there are lots of accounts are connected with your account. So you have to just simply make sure that there is the specific or current account which you want to remove. You have to just simply select that account. So here there is the only one, so I have just selecting the only one. So after coming to this email section, select your email. Now you have to simply click on this remove button. So after clicking on that, you have to simply click on remove and click on OK. So after, what it will do is it will automatically remove the your Gmail account from here. Here you have to just simply click on this add. So after tapping on add, you have to just simply click on any of the file and click on OK. So after that, you have to just simply go to email section, and here you have to simply select it and click on remove, and you'll click on yes. So after tapping on that, you guys will be able to see our email has been removed here. So it is the only way to log out from Outlook. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.